Are you wondering if YouTube TV offers music channels as part of its lineup? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you whether you can enjoy music programming on YouTube TV. If you're a fan of music channels like MTV or BET, you'll want to hear this. Yes, YouTube TV does offer some music-related channels, but the selection is limited compared to traditional cable packages. For example, channels like MTV, MTV2, BET, VH1, and CMT are included in YouTube TV's standard package, and they often feature music videos, live performances, and music-focused shows. These channels are great for fans of pop, hip-hop, country, and other genres. However, dedicated 24/7 music channels like Pandora, SiriusXM, or Music Choice are not available on YouTube TV. If you're looking for non-stop music streaming, you might need to explore standalone music services like Spotify, Apple Music, or Amazon Music Unlimited, as YouTube TV focuses primarily on live TV and entertainment rather than pure music streaming. That said, YouTube TV's DVR feature allows you to record music specials, award shows like the VMAs or BET Awards, or concerts that air on the included channels so you can watch them later at your convenience. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV offers music channels, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.